In this video, we are going to illustrate the proper way to unjam a Salvajor disposer. Like residential disposers, Salvajor disposers have a thermal overload that will trip when the disposer overheats. This is often due to a jam in the disposer's grind chamber. To rectify this, the disposer's cutting elements must be free of the jam so the faceplate turns freely. This is done easily with the Dejamming Prong sold by Salvajor. To begin, it is important to turn off all power to the disposer. It is important to note that hands should not be placed in the disposer. Next, insert the Dejamming Prong into the sink opening and over the raised tabs on the center of the faceplate. Twisting the faceplate both directions will break the cutting elements free. After breaking free, remove the dejamming tool. Remove any foreign objects that may be in the grind chamber, and be sure that the overload located on the bottom of the disposer has had 3 to 5 minutes to cool. Press the overload firmly until a click is felt. Now restore power to the disposer and check for proper operation.